Hello, everybody. I'm going to be making my educational website presentation. Um, I couldn't really decide between two websites. I ended up choosing PBS Learning Media primarily because it seemed a little bit more fitting for what I want to do. I want to be secondary, but as a coach in a sense. So I want my athletes to be able to go on a website and learn about all different types of sports and what's going on and so on and so forth. And what really stood out to me on this website is that it's pretty much all here for you to all at your disposal. You can click on subjects and it gives you a variety of different subjects ranging from science to professional development to world languages and engineering and technology. There's a lot of them. So that was the one I ended up going with over Smart Exchange. So Smart Exchange is very similar. I just felt like it was just bombarded with a lot of things that were going on and made my eyes go everywhere. See, like anything you click can take you to some different part of the website. But I also understood that it was like all grades here. It ranges from pre-kin to 12th, no, post-secondary. My bad. And then all subjects. Same thing as PBS, but I just felt like PBS was a little bit more understanding to kind of manage in a sense. So ultimately, let's say I want to go to I said I'm secondary. Let's go to high school. Oh, I am on high school, right here. So we can go everywhere and learn about a bunch of stuff that's going on in the world. Like, what does it mean to be anti-racist above the noise? Um, this is a video of a guy that's juggling a ball. I saw a bunch of that stuff, but it's also informational and it pretty much tells a tale of everything, you know? Like, let's go to systems and technologies. It's going to give us a whole spiel on everything about systems and technologies, what's going on in the world. So let's say I have my athletes or whoever's a teacher and whoever wants to be an educator has their own envision of what they want to do for their class that day. Let's say they don't want to be in the book. They just want to have a lesson where they're speaking and they're going to the PBS website, and the teachers are saying, "Hey, everybody, let's go. Let's get ready. Let's do our thing." And everybody pull out their laptops and go to the pbslearningmedia.org website and find a website that you like and talk about it. So it's both instructional and like it involves every student possible. It allows them to truly like find what they enjoy, and you can use it in many different ways. You can have them talk about it in a presentation, you can have them group up in groups, you can have them write a short little summary or essay about the certain article or video that they watched. You know, there's a bunch of stuff that you can go through going through this, and it, like I said, it's super easy, super like malleable. It's at your disposal with everything from subjects to grades. It even gives you some of the standards when you click on it if you want to go through that and look through it. But ultimately, I really enjoyed this website. I was, like I said, I was bouncing from Smart Exchange to this one, and then completely this one just took it and ran with it. So yeah, that's my presentation. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, it was ridiculous. It was honestly so it was it was so easy to the point where I was like, there's no way that it could be this easy, you know. But ultimately, my personal, like in my opinion, my SAMR level that I chose, I believed it was modification, primarily because that it's all technology here. You know, it's all technology based, and you want to make sure that all of your students are involved and entertained and being put aware and making sure that everything that they're focused into the lesson, whatever that may be. You know. Um, but yeah, I really enjoyed this website. There's a bunch of stuff that caught my eye, like even to the point where I thought that the regular practice with complex text, as far as going through like the English and the English language arts tab right here, like that was my common core standard that I decided to go with. You know, it was easier to understand, and ultimately I would highly recommend you using this website for your students in the future because it can make your lives way easier than it already is, you know. I'm sure everybody has their own websites and their own things in mind, but I highly recommend this one. Primarily because if I can manage this one, I'm sure everybody else can. But yeah, thank you. My name is Armando Garcia. I go by Andy, and I hope you enjoyed my presentation.